Audio and sound effects in this video were created using audio.com. Use the link in the description to get 10% off.
Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking today. Bojan Dulabic here. So, are you looking for some cool RGB LED lights? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so before we get going, the usual housekeeping. This product was sent to me by GVM free of charge for this review. However, as always, they have no influence on this video. They're not reviewing it before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So, let's get started.
This is the GVM 850D, an RGB LED video light. It consists of 168 LED beads and 84 RGB beads. Color temperature is between 32 and 5600K, and the CRI is 97 plus. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. You will get 2 lights and a power supply for each of them. There are 2 lighting stands, and everything comes inside a very sturdy bag for easy transportation. Now let's take a look at the hardware in the back. The device can be powered with the included power supply or with Sony F batteries. There are 3 buttons and 2 dials to adjust the settings. The brightness goes from 0 to 100%, and the RGB colors go from 0 to 360 degrees. There are various channels to choose from, and the lights can be operated either via the buttons on the back or via an app, and they can be set as master or slave to control more than one light at a time. Bicolor temperature, hue, and saturation can also be adjusted with one of the dials. Let's take a look at the app. It's divided into 4 categories. OCT controls the bicolor temperature, which allows you to adjust the channel, brightness, color temperature, and turns the light on and off. HSI allows you to adjust the RGB colors, which gives you a full color wheel, adjusts the hue and saturation, all the way from 0 to 100%. Scenes allows you to select which of the 8 scenes you'd like to use. You have lighting, candle, bad bulb, disco, cop car, TV, party, and paparazzi. With each you can adjust the brightness, and with some you can adjust the intensity. Now let's take a look at what you can do with this light and its built-in features.
Alright guys, so as you can see, these are some pretty cool lights. The package that I have came in a set of 2, and I mean, it does the job. It's relatively straightforward to use. You can either use it with the buttons on the back or with the app, as I've mentioned. So from my playing around with it, you can do everything on the back of the light, except, and if I'm wrong about this, let me know in the comments, except for the scenes. So if you want to use the scenes, it looks like you have to use the app. I couldn't make it work just using the buttons on the back. Again, I might be wrong on that. If I am, please let me know in the comments. But other than that, you can just use all the buttons on the back or the app. The app is relatively straightforward. Everything's there. It's easy to use. The only thing I wish they would tweak just slightly, it's not the end of the world, but if you want to switch from one light to the other, if you want to operate one light, switch it from one to the other, it does take about, I don't know, 5-6 seconds to switch, because you have to exit one and then enter the other. Again, not the worst thing in the world, but I wish there was just a simple switch, boom, select this light and move on, right? So again, not a hard, not a reason not to get the light for me personally, but I wish they could change that with the software update. So that's that. Other than that, it's a pretty cool light. All the modes, all the settings are there, whatever you need, if you need RGB. So right now I am using these lights. The one is in front of me, lighting my face obviously. One is right behind me, right there. and giving me the RGB light in the background, and that's it, right? Works pretty fine, right? And yeah, I think you're gonna have a good time with it. All the links are in the description as always, so check those out. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.